Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Dentele puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin. Difficulty level of the Dentele puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts into the tray. As you can see, the puzzle comes assembled, but it doesn't ruin the solution at all, since once you dump the parts out of the frame, it will be quite a challenge to put everything back inside. And now I will show you how to solve the Dentele puzzle. I will start solving it from this corner. I will put this piece right here. The next one will be this large piece, this one. You put it right here. If you want to have the matching texture, maybe try to play with the parts. It maybe won't work with your puzzle, but probably you will have a matching texture on each piece. Then this piece goes here. Then this cross piece, you put it next. This large part, it goes right here, but as you can see, it doesn't fit like that. So we have to rotate it, and then it fits nicely. The next piece here will be this one. It doesn't fit like that, so we have to flip it and put it this way. The next one will be this piece, and it is the only way how you can put it here. Then this small part, it goes right in here. And the next one will be this piece. You have to put it like that. Then we have only 4 parts left. This piece goes in the top right corner. We have this part that fits nicely here. This one, it goes right here. And then we have only one piece left, which you put right here on top, and the puzzle is solved. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, go to puzzlemaster.ca.